Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can resolve this issue in Blender. I'm not able to see any light or any basically other elements like line or those horizontal axis, y axis, blah blah blah. So how you can see those things? It's quite simple. So most of the time it's a human error. So on the top you can see layout. Instead of layout, select modeling. Inside the modeling you'll be able to see everything. So here you can see I'm able to see all the working area, but still lights are not visible. That could be because inside your layers, now here you have to basically click on this outliner. Instead of properties, select outliners, and here you'll see all the list of elements. Let me zoom out, and here you can see this camera icon. So if this camera icon is disabled, those elements will not be visible to you. So here you can see now I'm clicking enabling these things, so now I am able to see these things. This is how it works. So make sure you go into the outliners. If you're not able to see this option, just click on the edge of this window and drag it like this. You will have this window, and from top you can select the outliner. This is how you select it. Thanks so much. Have a great day.